Hello guys, in this video tutorial we'll show you how SMS service works in Dine-In Future. In My Future section, click Open the Dine-In Future. Click on Manage and Content section. You will be redirected to Restaurants Management section under Dine-In. Click on Add Restaurant to add new restaurants. Next is Manage Waiter. From here you can manage your restaurant waiters. If you want, you can add new waiters by clicking on Add Waiter. Under General Settings, you can manage configuration settings, language settings, cuisines, coupons, and CMS pages. In Configuration Settings, select Administrator as Restaurant. This is your Dine-In page name. Next comes Email. If you want, you can change it from here or add more email addresses. From here, you can change the currency code of the payment. Next comes Mobile Number. If you want, you can change it from here and add more phone numbers. From here, you can change the restaurant address. From the Contact Us section, you can change the contact number. If you want, you can add multiple contact types from here. Next is SMS. From here, you can easily add Twilio SMS service in your Dine-In app. Once you have successfully set up the Twilio account, enter the account SID, authorization token, and from number to enable the SMS service. Once you are done, click on Save to continue. Go back to Creator Software Dashboard and click on Save and Continue. Now that you have enabled the SMS service, let's see how it works. Open the app and go to Dine-In. Tap Open your desired restaurant or search for it. Tap the call icon to make phone calls. Tap Call Waiter and select the table number to call the waiter. An SMS will be sent to waiter asking him/her to attend the customer. Tap Call for Bill and select the table number to get bill on your table. An SMS will be sent to waiter asking him/her to share the bill with the customers. Tap Place Order. Select the food item that you want and add the quantity. Once done, tap Cart to go to your cart. If you want, you can change the food quantity from here. If you have the coupon code, enter the code and tap Apply to continue. You can check payment details for your food order here. Once you are done, tap Checkout to proceed. Select the table number here, add the instructions you want, enter the billing details and tap to continue. Make the payment through your desired payment method. You'll be redirected to Thank You page. If you want, you can send the invoice or continue ordering from here. An SMS will be sent to both restaurant's owner and waiter regarding the order. This is how SMS functionality works for the Dine-In Future. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get the updates as soon as they are live. Thanks for watching.